chance to warm up, really, whereas GH Rest came back from behind in the first matchup and got the 14 stars. So they are moving into this one, I would say, with a bit of confidence. We had the Queen Charge Dragon Rider from BombadoR, who got the 3 stars using this earlier convincingly as well.
Oh yeah, this guy is on fire. If he were a Cheeto, he would be flaming hot. BombadoR ready to drop another big one on this base and keep Rest up on top. The Unicorns of Love getting a good solid 3-star pickup, but can their defenses hold to the European ascendancy? The Italian stallion here, BombadoR ready to drop it from the skies again with a Dragon Rider army. Starting out with the Queen Charge, though, a common complement to this heavy aerial-based attack. Always got to rely on those minions for the cleanup at the end. But this Queen Charge is really going to be able to grab a massive side of this base. This whole right corner compartment massively opened and requiring very little additional support to chop it down.
Yeah, he's taking quite a bit of time with this Queen Charge. Obviously feels it is good value. I mean, it always is good to get the Town Hall, don't get me wrong. Now gets the rest of the Clan Castle pull, and he did actually set off the Tornado earlier on, Woody, so he knows he doesn't have to worry about that. And he's saving onto the Stone Slammer. I feel this is very useful with the Dragon Riders because the Dragon Riders have quite a lot of range, so the Stone Slammer can actually be right out in front and absorb a lot of damage, but actually it looks like he might sideswipe the base with it.
Yeah, very interesting positioning here. Didn't get the Queen to go straight down for that single target, but nonetheless has got a great funnel set up. A lot of defensive buildings going to get straight targeted on by these Dragon Riders as they are kind of spreading out along the bottom side, and that's not bad news for BombadoR, who manages to get a clean hit in here with the Eternal Tome now to protect these Dragon Riders as they proceed through. No fear at all of air defenses or scatter shots. The splash damage, single fire, whatever Curry can try to throw at him is not going to be spicy enough to stop BombadoR. Cleared on for landing, looking very confident now. I think time is really the only factor he's got to worry about because it seems like he's got plenty of troops to get this thing finished off. Ooh, bomb going off, but not going to deter those minions. 36 seconds to finish this off. I think he's looking good, Judah.
Yeah, I'm more than confident that he's got this, but I keep looking across at the way he is, and it's exactly the same as what he was in the first attack. He looked stressed, like he wasn't going to get it. A little bit of a celebration there, but he didn't look confident, let's put it that way.